Overview of shipping APIs. Oracle has provided a number of APIs which can be potentially used to import the sales order or shipping related information in order management module. These are called as public APIs and they are considerably faster in comparison to the open interface import programs such as sales order or delivery import. So let's go through a couple of these APIs. Each of the APIs I have listed here are public APIs, and how you identify them, they will have a word called as pub within their name. So the first one is called as OE order pub API, which can be used for not only importing the order but also processing the order within Oracle applications. So if you want to process or book a order in Oracle applications via an API, you can use this API called as OE order pub dot process order package procedure. Okay, and once a order has been imported and booked, then the next step is creating deliveries associated with that particular order, and you can use another public API which is WSH delivery pub to create the delivery using the package procedure called as create update delivery. Once a delivery has been created, then as a next step you assign the delivery lines to that delivery, which could be associated with your sales order line or which could be container lines. So in order to create your delivery lines, you use the same package procedure WSH delivery pub dot detail to delivery. Then once delivery lines have been assigned, then you can either run epic release from the front end, or if you would like to run epic release from the back end using the APIs, then you can use the same API WSH delivery pub, but the package procedure is delivery action. Then the next step is you can run the pack program, wherein you pack your delivery or delivery lines into containers. And if you want to process that using APIs, you can use the public API called as WSH container pub dot create containers and WSH container pub dot container actions. And once you have packed onto the container, if in case you would like to unpack your deliveries from the containers, then you can use the same public API for containers, but the package procedure is container actions now for unpacking. For unassigning unpacked container lines from delivery, you can use the package procedure WSH delivery details pub dot detail to delivery. Then for auto packing the deliveries or delivery lines, you can use WSH container pub dot auto pack package procedure. Then if you would like to update your delivery lines which have been already imported from the backend, then you can use the package procedure called as WSH delivery details pub dot update shipping attributes. Lastly, for ship confirming your imported deliveries automatically, you can use WSH deliveries pub dot delivery action to ship confirm them from the backend automatically. So these are the summary of the order management and shipping execution APIs which one can potentially use to import orders, process orders, import deliveries, process deliveries, and pack those deliveries, and finally ship confirm those deliveries from the backend. So at this stage, let's go to Oracle Applications Database and describe these APIs and list down all the package procedures which are present under these APIs. So I'm going to minimize this. And the first one I will describe is OE order pub API. So I will go to Oracle Applications Database, and in the server, I will log into SQL Plus with the user apps. And here, all I will do it is issue the described command with OE order pub and hit the enter button, and that's what it'll describe all the procedures which are present in this public API. So as you could see here, it has listed them down, and since there are many, it has simply scrolled them down over the screen. So the next one we'll describe is WSH deliveries pub, which is for importing or processing the deliveries from external system. So describe WSH deliveries underscore pub, and look at that, it's got all these package procedure within it called as create update delivery. Then you have got delivery action, and then you've got generate documents. Okay, so let's clear the screen and let's go back to our presentation. The next one that we have is WSH container pub. So let's describe that. And look at that, it's got a number of package procedure within that one, which are auto pack, and then you've got container actions, create containers, and update containers. And these are the ones are something that I have listed over here in my presentation. So as you could see, create containers, container actions, and auto pack. Okay, then lastly you've got another package procedure over here which is called as WSH delivery details underscore pub. So let's describe that one as well. So let's go back to the server. So here I'm gonna write describe WSH delivery details underscore pub, and look at that, it's got again a number of package procedures which you can use to process your delivery details. Look at that, you've got auto create deliveries, auto create delivery trip, then you've got detail to delivery, get detail status, and so on. Now lastly, one API that I haven't listed out there in the presentation was the API in relation to the trips, which you can use it to import the trips or process the trips in Oracle shipping. So let's describe that one as well. So let me just clear that screen and then write this WSH trips pub and hit the enter button, and you would see all the package procedure associated with this trips public API, which are create, update trip, and trip action are the procedures within it.